In this video, I'm going to show you how to denoise in Darktable. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to double click on your photo to open it, and then you want to go to Darkroom up top, and from here where it says search modules, you want to type in denoise, okay? Just like that. It's going to pop you a bunch of different modules, and of course you can use any of these, but the easiest way to do it is basically using just a mix or the one that you want. So I'm going to zoom in. As you can see, this image has a bit of noise. So if I, for example, use this one, which is the Astrophoto denoise, and if I actually enable it, it's going to start working, and you'll be able to see, there we go, some of that noise has actually been cleared, okay? I could go ahead and, of course, change the strength of it like that as well, and that's going to kind of further affect my image over here, the patch size as well, the luma, whatever, but you'll see that, just look at these different things here in my image. I can go ahead and basically uncheck this, and you'll be able to see that there's actually a difference in my noise on the photo. So that's the first way to do it. Now, of course, you will have other options as well. You can use this diffuser or sharpen over here, which will allow you to do exactly as it says. You can use the surface blur if you wanna. You could go ahead and use this denoise profile if in case you want to use these kind of more advanced modes over here, where you can go ahead and, of course, change these curves and then make it more smooth or more noisy at specific portions. You could go ahead and change the strand down here as well, etc. So, of course, if you're more advanced, you can use this one as well. And then you have the raw denoise, which only works for raw images. Now, usually, of course, you'll likely be using this one, the Astrophoto denoise, and then the denoise profile over here, but of course you can use the other ones as well, and that's going to help you kind of denoise your photos. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.